year of 2025 a recap, and 2026, what are you hoping to achieve? I've also spoken to you about a sequential decline quarter on quarter basis as far as the chemical segment is concerned, aluminum segment. While I was looking at the revenues, if you could talk a little bit about a recap, and then this segment wise decline that I'm talking about specifically with respect to chemical, and what the geopolitical factors that may have affected this decline.
First of all, thank you for coming to NALCO and taking insights of NALCO. As far as the production of this year is concerned, the year 25-26, up to H1, we have done best ever H1 performance in terms of physical performance. Up to Q3 also best ever Q3 performance physical. Our H1 physical and financial both was best ever physical and financial. So we have increased the production of both chemical and metal compared to last year. Like last year, we have done physical performance of alumina was around 20.5 lakh tons of alumina production annually. This year we have planned for 22.5 lakhs. And we are ahead of target by around 90,000. So we may be touching around 23 lakhs at the end of this financial year as far as chemical is concerned. Metal also last year we did 4,60,000, and we will be finishing this year around 4,70,000, which we have planned. So 10,000 more of metal. As far as decline in the revenue of chemical is concerned, what you were talking about, that is because of the prices of the alumina, which has gone down. If you see the quarter to quarter comparison, Q3 last financial year, it was somewhere around $700. After that, it came to around $580 in Q4. After in the Q1 of this financial year, it started again declining. It has come down presently to around $320 to $330. And the reason of this decline is excess of alumina in the market. In Indonesia, the 2 refineries have started. Some smelters have gone down. The smelting capacity has gone down. The China has put a cap on the smelting capacity to 45 million ton. Mozal smelter has been shut down. Iceland one smelter has been shut down. So smelting capacity going down, alumina refining capacity adding up has led to the excess of alumina in the market, and due to demand supply gap, this prices have started falling down.
Speak a little bit about where does it stand? Australia, Argentina as some of the interesting geographies, and NALCO does play a big role as far as the Kabul joint venture is concerned. What other geographies have we locked in? Have we been able to look at some more joint ventures abroad? Any other geographies that may be able to we'll be able to see in the pipeline in the year to come or so?
Kabel is a joint venture between NALCO, HCL and MECL, where we are holding 40% share. Kabel, already we have acquired 3 mines there in Argentina, and these mines are allotted to us. Non-invasive exploration already is over. The results are positive. And now we are going to start invasive exploration. For that, PMC consultant is appointed. Drilling agency, maybe by January end or February, the drilling agency will be established. The scope of work of this agency will be within 1 or 1.5 years. They will do the drilling, take out the samples, set up the pilot plant, and give us a report where after that we'll come to know whether commercial level mining is feasible or not. But nearby, Chinese mines are already operating. Lithium mines in a nearby area is operating. So we are very much hopeful. So maybe next 27, end of 27, we'll come to know as far as what kind of or what level of commercial mining we can go in Argentina. In Argentina, some more mines have come up where we are going with ONGC, Videsh and Coal India and other parties to have some stake, purchasing some stake in Argentina. In Australia also some opportunities have come where they are trying to sell up their some of the stakes. So that is into active negotiations with them, and due diligence is being done. After completing the due diligence only, we will be able to finalize how much of stake to go ahead. So Australia and Argentina, these are the 2 areas where we are going for lithium stakes.